Food no dey, brother, water no dey. Yeah, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Lobet, you are welcome. Good evening. Thank you all, thank you all, thank you all. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Please just share, just share, just share. Just share. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you, brothers. Thank you, sisters. Thank you, everybody. Yeah. Good evening, my fellow Nigerians. Good evening, brothers and sisters. It's no longer a news that our president doesn't have a certificate. But the thing is, the news is it going to continue to be ruling us? Are we going to continue to give him that chance to rule us again? Because they say if you can fool me for once, twice, 3 times, it's stupidity. Mr. Buhari, you don't have certificate. Please leave us alone. We are saying no. Let everybody hold hands together and say no to Buhari to come back and rule us without a school certificate. Look, listen, we are not talking of a business. We are not talking of a shop. We are talking of a country. Nigeria, together we stand. Together we stand, divided with 4. United force we need to take this thing. And we have to say no to this nonsense. Please, our government is very, very important to us. I come out this evening to do this short video because of I have some conversation with some people in Nigeria today. You know, a lot of them was giving me some excuse of I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Listen, if you are in Nigeria, you doesn't care for your government, which means you are the most stupid person, because you doesn't care for those that says rule over you, those that let you to breathe, those that will decide today to demolish your house, those that will decide today to not give you school, to not give you electricity. If you are there, you said nothing concerns me about the government. Listen, my friend, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, because different things are happening. I'm from Edo State. Different things is happening in my state, and I keep on thinking and wonder, who day are we going? What kind of generation this government are building for us? What kind of generation? What kind of structure are they building? Are they giving us a place to stand, or they are damaging this country to their care, to their hands, to their humble care, to their pocket? Nigerians, please wake up. Wake up and say no, because this thing will continue. A man without a certificate cannot rule you with master's degree, you with bachelor's degree, you with different kind of degree. Can't you say this thing is not communicating, this thing is not working, this they are trying is not working? Please, it's not all about AAC or Moyele Sowore or Fela Durotoye or Atiku or Buhari. It's all about who can move our nation. It's all about who can do this great wonder, who is going to be this driver to drive this nation. Listen, there is no harm in trying, but we know we have been trying this old man for long. Please, don't ever put yourself in that course of being an illiterate president. But you want to let Buhari take an award? First illiterate president in the whole world. This is ridiculous. This is stupid. This is somehow, I don't know. My Nigeria people, don't say the government not concern me. If the government not concern you, what you they do? Some go say the government not concern now. You want you to do your business. You feel they do your business for bad road. You feel they do your business for inside darkness. You feel they do your business without hospital, without saying they say you not get hospital go. You feel they do your business without saying you not get money put your give for school. What kind of thing is that? Or say I just face my business, Even my adult people now, not business they face, they just face their money rituals and their fucking things they are doing. Those things are not life. I just said before, no money ritual, nothing. No, I don't know how we come to this kind of mess. That people are using their father, their brother, their sister for money ritual, go to Ghana, come back in 7 months, 8 months, 1 year time, he become a millionaire, then they will do burial in the house. Is that a life? Every house, every hand go every day. This is not life we want to live because we have a bad leader. We have a leader who doesn't know what is good, a leader who doesn't attend school, a leader who doesn't know the rights of the people. That's why we are suffering. That's why we are passing this medical loss gunshot every day from these idiot people. Please, Nigerians, just say no. Just say no to Buhari again. Say no to Atiku. Atiku is a 419. At least we don't have Buhari on Atiku. We have Buatiku. Buatiku cannot rule us. Those two people, they are just Buatiku. So please, my Nigeria people, start involving. Start checking by yourself for a second alternative. Start checking. Don't wait for the news. Hello, my sister. Let me bring you in. Don't wait for the news. Never you wait for the news. Just start searching by yourself because the news is not going to give you nothing. All they want to give you is what will keep you to patronize them and what will keep them to make you to make you a slave. That's what they are giving. Please, my Nigeria people, please, let's say no to these stupid leaders. Let's say no to this way. Let's try and join hands together and clean our country once and for all. There is no way that power, the country will not move. Some countries who just finished war 3, 4 days, 5 years ago, they are growing. They are using metros, they are using electrical trains. What are we saying? What can we not do? Who tell you Nigeria cannot move forward? All we need to do is just join hands together, change the leader. This wonderful revolution, you know, that everybody will be unstopped. Everybody will know that yes, this is another dimension. You know, to get imaginable result like fixing another party apart from PDP and APC. Even Nigeria citizens will know that change have come. And we are the one to say no to this Buhari coming back again without school certificate. This Buhari issue, I don't know whether he get advisor or whether he get people where they talk to around, whether it is they will be fool. Nigerian government don't take us to become serious fool. They just leave us to become fool forever, and we just they behave like fool follow them. This man goes where affidavit say he no get certificate. This man goes where affidavit say certificate lost. This man let us say carry artist things. I don't know artist Christmas, I be artist Christmas, artist spice rice. I don't know what he go carry come again. This man no get sense. My Nigeria people are beg. I dey beg una in the name of God. Let's join hands together and say no to this rubbish. And say no to these bad leaders. And talk to our people back home. That you search for another alternative by themselves. Don't wait for the radio station. Don't wait for the news because the newspaper are not ready for you to get another alternative. The radio is not ready. The social media people personnel, they are not ready because they want to remain a celebrity for life. They want to remain a giver for life. You know, I don't know what happened to our celebrity that they cannot just say, me as Davido popular rich, you see go school get certificate, man wey not get certificate they rule you as Davido. All those our artists, where are we going? Do we have tomorrow in Nigeria? Do we have next tomorrow? Do we have things to be proud of in 10 years time? Are we ready? They say a journey of a 1,000 miles starts with a step. Are we ready to take the step 219? Are we ready, Nigerians? Let's be ready and let's be serious on this. Don't fail to tell your brother, to tell your sister, to listen. I have some people just say, I beg Nigeria not go better again, make we live on. My brother, if we dey look and I say go dey look us. If you go farm, say they share your portion, give you, they look your portion, and say your portion go they leave you. It is time we ought to unite to start to make that think of say this country it must better, this country it must better, this country it must better. We need to put our mind for there. Because all these our leaders, they get just few skills, just small skill, and this skill we don't know how. This kid, we don't reason now. We don't reason now. Say this kid is not fit work again. We not fit call they do us like say me we be Django Lover now. Just pull us, they play us like ball. Call they reason us. First, they offer come government. Second, they'll seize all the money, seize everything. When politics want come again, they go release more come in our shop. We will say life don't continue. Now so we want to do one plus one life. Our papa, our mama, old man and old woman, not be their pikin they take care of and for Europe. Nah, their government they take care of old men and old. So if you dey for Nigeria, you dey for Nigeria, you dey feel say man, we dey see an old men and old women and their government, now our government and their government they take care of them. You understand? All those things now wetin be say they work for because they work for good government. They change whosoever they want to change. This time around now they need to relax. Now your government they take care of them. If you don't tire so they take off your man for you to go your liver for streaming there, carry and go old people house, they go take care of them for you. If you not be say man, you get accident, you not be the waka again, not be orphanage will carry you go, you get your home, where do they take care of you, they bath you, they do everything. You get the kind of thing where be say man, una suppose now wey be papa and mama suppose talk say this time around, this suffer, make we end down like this. Make we end down. You don't care where you want carry us go. Our pikin for Edo State now don't they do money ritual. They don't they do many things. 419, Hashawo, Bo bastard, everything where the government feel unleash on Edo State. They unleash on Edo State. They make Edo State cripple by every bad person where they don't bring on. Since 99, they cripple Edo State to 0-0. If not be this, our good Obana, we can see they try, they do things by itself. We can see they try to bring the same knowledge we take from abroad. Come Benin now, call they do things by itself now in a modernized way. We call they pressurize the government, say they must give them job. We call it, all those things. If many of us they do it, our Bible they do it, the government they go shake. I tell you, the government go shake because our Abba they try, they see things now. If you don't all buy your joint hands together, they do all those kinds of small things. Try to check for the youth. Try to know what you want to balance the youth. They be their responsibility to take care of those youth as well. But without the help of government, nothing can be done. Nothing can change. Nothing can happen. Without the government intervention and without our voice, our papa not fit get what they want to do. Because if you dey hungry, if you not tell your papa, you not fit give you food. So now we need to bring out this our voice. This Obaseki just what they call Oshomole, Ojibole. Now yesterday complete 2 years where Ojibole build hospital for Edo State. The hospital never work one day. Yesterday I complete 2 years where Ojibole build hospital for Edo State. The hospital never work one day. My people, now so we go dey. Now so we go dey look them. All of us go dey cry. Baba o. The youth, if una no cry, come on, Baba no go hear una voice. Because if you dey hungry, you no tell your Baba no fit give you food. So my brothers and sisters, our Baba, he don dey do it best. The next thing wey we need to do now is to bring our voice out. Say Baba, see wetin our government dey do us, and we no want time, and we want make it change go this way because Baba know the way we suppose be, and Baba need to fight for us for we to get it right in Edo State. That our Baba already fight for us, and already stand for us. So as a father that knows the pains of his children, and is standing for his children to just speak their voice. He's a man who understands freedom. He's a father who understands freedom of the voice. He's a man who knows the wrong to the right. He's a man who is well educated. The best thing the man is just waiting for the children to voice out with one voice. Just one voice. When we voice to our Father with one voice, our voice will be heard in anywhere. And whatever we say we want, they must give it to us because he's a man who stands for his children. He can represent us in anywhere when he heard that his children is crying for a help with one voice. Let's stop beating around the bush. Let's stop blaming everybody. The problem in Nigeria today is just a bad fucking government. That's just the fact. If we got to change the government, we have to start taking it back to 19. We have to start planning how to root it 219 in Edo State so that 220 they will know that development is around. You know, 219 is just a rehearsal to 220. So we Edo State, we have chance to say no now. We have chance to work hard to make sure we send a sound warning to them that 220 Edo State is taking another direction, even they want it or no. Because the king wey he come so, na king of prosperity, na king of joy, na king of happiness, na dey rule us so. And this king, he regime and eternal, and this his life when he dey so, he go see Edo State like Dubai by the power of the ancestors wey bring am to us. Baba, I talk there, Baba. He will see, he will be alive. Edo State will look exactly like whatever Europe country will say in few years' time. Because God bring it to us by right. And God bring it to us at this time because he knows he's the one who is going to lead us to the success from these evil people. So for that simple reason, Edo people, we need to speak with one voice. Now we have a father who is ready to hear our voice. Don't let's tear our complaints. And don't let's disturb anything for anything. Let's unite and face the reality of life. That is a nation building. We have to build this nation together. This generation have a great task upon their head. All the task is saying, join hands and build a new bright future for the generation coming tomorrow. So we are ready. Please, my brothers and sisters, somebody without a certificate can never be our leaders anymore. It's too much. They have gave us all angle, all type of beat, slap, conk, blow, bite, teeth, pour pepper for our body, use us. They don't beat us. Now, what did this government want to do? What they never do, my people. Wait till now they wait, make they do us. Or they go bring one dead man come, make us rule us. Eh? For now to know say these people no go change. Sing of 20 years ago, music of 20 years ago, wey Fela sing, e still be like today, na they sing am. Idris sing Jaga Jaga 15 years ago, 18 years ago, or some years ago. If you dey play am today, e go be like say na today they play am. African China play food no dey for years ago. If you dey play am today, you think say na today they play am. What is happening? All those music suppose all dey history. All those music suppose all dey somewhere. By now, please, my brothers and sisters, let's wake up and say no to rubbish. Let's say no to nonsense. Let's join hands together and take our country to the greatest, highest next level. Because we are ready to do imaginable things. Just only one thing we don't want to do. We don't want to waste blood, and we don't want to beg from the cabal or from the bad leaders. We don't want to beg from them because we are not begging them. We are chasing them out. So we don't want to associate with them. Not because if you are a good one inside them, you come out as a good one. Brothers and sisters, AC is a party for everybody. When you can meet up to everything you have to meet up to, just do your best. Bring yourself out. Let the AC say you are a candidate. Because they must surely check you out before they say you are a candidate. So the only people we are afraid of is the bad ones. The good ones, you are welcome. You understand? In anywhere, in any angle. Hey, the good ones, please. If you know you are a good citizen in your state, in your country, in anywhere, please carry your people to face the right direction. That is AAC, is the right direction for the people. Because that one is a party for the people, to the people. So this is the only way we have to use this our voice. As we are saying no, we will be telling them, no, we have AAC to bring out because we are tired. It's okay, you are tired. What do you want? We want AAC to come. No, we are tired. Okay, now what do you want? Do you want us to change? No, we don't want you to change. We want AAC to come. At the time there will be knows that yes, these people are really fed up, they will not have no choice than to pack their load and run away. They must leave us. Nigerians, either devil like it or not, we must win. Good evening, my brother.
My brother, God bless you.
God bless you too, bro.
You're doing a very great job. Keep
Thank
telling
you, bro.
them. Keep telling them. I swear to God, God will always be with you. Because
Amen,
our mumu don't do. We don't tire. Even if they affect us where we did diaspora, past people where they that's Nigeria. It just be like say they drill our blood. But when we push good thing for them, make them accept them. Now the prayer, what would they pray for now? If they go fit see person will get heart like that Omoyele Sowore, and they no see great taker, now they say sufferness don't enter their blood. Be that. Keep telling them.
No, bro, they go take am. Bros,
no, they must take am.
2019 is important year in Nigeria, and I must come to live video and celebrate 2019 that the sufferness in Nigeria is gone.
Over.
So I don't have a doubt. I'm just pity those who don't want to be a nation builder. Me, I want to be a nation builder. I want to be one of those who build this nation. You know,
exactly.
So if you want to be a nation builder, you have to start climbing a good ladder, constructing a good ladder for yourself.
Exactly.
You have to start constructing a good ladder. You have to start negotiating for a good land to build. You have to start,
exactly.
You have to prepare yourself, because if you fail to prepare, you will prepare to fail. It's just two ways.
Exactly. Just imagine, say me and you, when we were young, now we don't know these people where they lead us. Now we don't grow up, we see they see the same thing. It just be like say we they see the same thing, we they rotate the same thing for the rest of our life. For waiting now, it don't do, my God. It don't do.
Bro, you get one question when I want to ask. Some people go say the government not concern me. What do they classify those people to be?
Now mumu them be now. Now big food them be, because then they think about themselves alone. Then they think about other people.
That's even themselves alone. Even to thinking of yourself alone by saying, if you are thinking of yourself alone, you have to start thinking of who is ruling me. Because that one is yourself. That one who is ruling you is important, is yourself.
Exactly.
If you are thinking of yourself alone, you are not thinking of, man, how do those people make this kind of law? When these people can give me 100,000 naira, which means they have a lot there, let's check in to see what is happening.
Exactly.
Talk about yourself. You can't talk about yourself without your breath.
Exactly. You're right.
What's the difference between government and you?
Exactly.
Why are you running away from your destiny? Why are you running away from your leader? From those you're supposed to be asking questions every second for you not to go be like Assistant Nigeria?
We too they fear. Nigerians, we too they fear. Because I don't go feel like to you. When Omoyele Sowore come out, I see some impact in me that, okay, it gets some things where they bury inside me, where make me they fear that government of our place. But when Omoyele Sowore come out, I swear to God that thing, you be like say the boss one thing inside me will say, why would they fear? Would they fear for unknown? Would they fear waiting we know even they see? Say they come.
We don't even know. We don't even see them.
We don't even know maybe they exist or not. You understand? So now I swear.
How we are not like Yoruba people?
Now our way. I go take up now our way. Because we know they see what they pursue us, we go just run. We don't run. Now so it be. We know they see what they pursue us, we don't run. But now, that courage where Omoyele get, take come and say, okay, in one contest, in one know what they happen safe. You understand? Because they say now we the future of tomorrow. Now we don't they grow now. Where the future won't come from when these old people just they carry us go where we don't even know.
Now they plan for future of tomorrow for this government and now they pity for. My brother, when me and you go school, now share and I will sit down put. This generation when it is so that they sit down for another grand. Next 10 years, wait till they want to sit down put to my brother.
Nothing.
Oh man, we got to say, man, no future with these people, because people who destroy your future cannot guarantee you your presence.
Because them they don't get future. Imagine people who they steal our money.
Oshowore is giving them accolades by telling them that they have a analog brain. These people don't even have a common head, talk less of score inside, man.
My
People that
brother,
bank car for 45 million come and drive a bad road. People that build out of trillion inside erosion, that calling them human being.
Imagine. My
This
brother,
is nonsense. We have to say the fact.
That's the truth. That's the truth. Because you know, say if we they talk, then go say we they talk because of where we dey. Say we know they think about where
bro,
they dey.
Anybody tell you that one? Listen, I am talking because of where I dey. Because if I not dey here, I not go see this thing where they happen to me. Because
Exactly.
me, I know say I dey inside the same hole with you. Thank God say I come out. Listen to me when come out now. Listen. Because me, I think I don't want to shut up. I don't want to call the snappish or call the pose you or call the cack gold. We get our idea. Understand? If I do this kind talking to people, I only want, the cute talk because it's day, everything day Europe, we day okay. Exactly. Person way not get house for Europe, better person they drive car for Nigeria. Person way not get house for Europe, better person they lose duplex for Nigeria.
Exactly.
If you want keep quiet, you keep quiet with us, say hungry not go beat us. You see they give you a shigon, what they give you now? We get that shigon, I wait till we shop remain with they give you
now. Now so if we don't chop remain. Now so if we don't chop remain, we know we forgive you.
That's not going to chop whenever.
Exactly. But you know what happen there? We don't try our best, so we don't push that person to now. Say
we never try. Listen. You never try. You cannot tell me you want to hang up. See, listen. This is a journey without a ending. If Oshowore come that post tomorrow, say Oshowore want change and follow Nigeria, you go see me for here. In fact, you go even see me who say find one way the other tracker because right now this is a journey without ending. Our leaders must be only our leader accountable, irrespective of who you are, where you are from. We don't care. As you are on that stage, you must be held responsible. Before Nigeria will die, before Nigeria will condemn, before we will see generation to generation, this is what we are building. We are building a generation that is going to be asking questions. So this is the time we have to start building a new Nigeria for a new
Now so make I tell you one thing. Like me, I call one of my cousins say, oh boy, what did they happen? Who now won't vote for? He say, Baba will say Baba. And I say, why una they think like that? Say Baba. Why? Which day una go come up for this while I want they talk of now? Small time you go say, even if na $50, make I give you. You should know they owe you for more before you ask that money. Say Baba, say Baba. Baba don't give you everything. Baba don't do for your life. He said, they don't go allow Showore to enter. I said, who tell you they don't go allow?
Who tell you?
I said,
they not go agree.
I said, who are they? Who are the people now?
As
long as Jonathan Fee enter, Buhari enter. Now, why Showore no go fit do am?
Why?
So the same old school where person when wear uniform control us. Now he wear agbada begin to control us again. And when we won't wake up. He said, they talk like say because we day here.
I know that's for
life. Because we day here. That's why we see what they happen for them because we don't day up. We don't see what they happen for up. We see a better life day for up. Where on a day down, no go feel enjoy the better life.
The worst part, again, one stupid thing where some people they ask, one day I go get time, it be like say people know they listen to Showore or they know they check out what that guy they talk and check out how something want to happen. That's exactly. like me. If Oshowore say he don't do 10,000 videos, it's when he start this campaign. I don't watch the 10,000.
That's so. The same thing.
I know they watch and half.
Are they addicted to ourselves?
I know they watch and half. Understand? So the thing be say, then they wonder me say how Nigeria will pay 100,000. I call the tell them say, oh now you they mad. Even Oshowore they present 100,000, we they tell you say 100,000 too small. For my state, we don't work by 1 hour. In Edo State, what if AC take it back? What we are doing in Edo State, work per hours. And the minimum wage you can receive per hours must be €5.
Exactly. Now so
do what you want to say, man. If AC take it back, Edo State are working per hour. And we are going to be having metro, train, tram in every corner. We are going to be having a brand new state.
Now so everybody go day happy. Your face go day happy. Everybody go day happy.
Yeah. Not only Nigeria, now you will enter bar. If you buy mass man, you go to say 2.0 for your food.
My brother, now true you talk, oh.
Now, if this man go to say people poison for your food, or you just say the
Exactly.
90s. But for Europe, if Bama don't smell, you go show the battle court.
Now so now you go say what did they happen to them? my brother, I swear 2019 are the best. Now our time be that. Nothing where
Please,
you carry us
Nigeria,
in that time.
2019, we have to say no. How can you imagine? Person wey be say no even go primary school, wey you come dey rule Nigeria for how many years? And he confess wey affidavits. I don't know. All these lawmakers, they just dey break am by themselves.
That thing wey happen so for America here why they you know say you encourage certificate give you somebody show am for social media, you suppose step down the next day, shey you know.
Immediately, oh. Immediately.
Now only I dey see somebody carry wire come carry give our president, he still dey rule us, they go continuously. I say na mumu, I say na cow, na him we be. Say somebody just accuse you, say okay, you look at somehow, say woman just accuse you and you take one beg that position. You must step down to defend yourself from that woman before they come and say, okay, you did wrong or you did right.
First of all, hello, hi, I deal with you, Minister. See, imagine, first of all, he himself, we suppose not to see active president. The consumer not do what that man don't do also. Buhari don't go withdraw money without even the normal process.
Imagine.
For jet, not be for your country for buying, not be you, not be with our president, not be gather do that signing of how many million for jet. Now America there now.
Imagine. No, apart from that one, self, we know.
No, I just talk a lot of things so he don't do. We need impeachment. Buhari don't throw himself come up for bosses then. Even Buhari himself, he the one that's for this country now soft to say as now they look me like mumu.
Na mumu na be na so.
Even Buhari they call us Imaga. We be Buhari Imaga.
What we be self? We be Imaga now. We they pay every day. Now you say we know they pay.
See, if you fear your government, may I tell you what you do to your government. Now you they hire your government plot. Now you they cook for your leader. Now your money, your leader till they go toilet. Now your money till they go toilet. So everything for your life. Now your worker, your leader is your worker. You have to ask him questions. You have to see these days. People don't wake up a lot. Thank God on this social media of a team. Today, I they call people on Facebook. Like I say, you're this in Nigeria. I they call people on Facebook message today like up to maybe I think call like 70 to 80 people. I just by work. I just they do one for reasons. Just they ask questions. My brother, waiting I they hear from almost all of them. The government not concern me. The government not concern me. After when I don't talk sense, so their head. Now you call tell me say, bros, that's true too. And after I don't see finish, I just give the phone number. Say phone this kind of person, make it teach you how the what you want to do to help the government.
Exactly.
You understand? I must if I hold you for life. Even though you be PD, even though if Atiku come in now, me Atiku talk like Okabasa come in if not the time. Because say we need that. You don't get what you want to. You understand? So the we accept, we just need to tell them the truth.
Exactly. I see one video Atiku they talk say they make mistake why they no work on power when they did there. Say why they no work on electricity when they did they say they make mistake. So now you where you use your mouth to say you make mistake. Now our mumu Nigeria still won't go vote for you again. Say Atiku better pass life.
Even Nigeria. I beg, I want to ask this question. Nigerians, who they teach you in English when they speak? One must say English when they call articulated. What did that English represent?
I don't know, my brother.
No, I don't know. Maybe that because I don't go school, I don't even know. I beg. What do you mean articulated? What's the meaning?
Now somebody just wake up one day say, okay, now Atiku will be the next thing. Okay, like for my page now, I get one guy. You understand? I had him as friend. He they support Buhari. They post many things. I can't send a message inside inside message inbox out there. Come on, my brother. You they support Buhari. What in this man they give you? Why they support this man? He say this man don't try. He don't do this. He don't do. I say waiting. He don't do. Why you no try? Make you fly. Ordinary Ghana. Make you just go. Go see that airport where they just do. Just go see that airport where they just do.
Our train station. Our train station be like. I don't know where I want his art to strike for the whole world.
My brother, no talk about that stress they about. No talk about them at all. Person we're supposed to walk, we're supposed to sell ticket. He just comes, sit down, relax. You understand? If they look time, say time never reach with train, they don't delay. Carry one can small your phone which China make for them. Begin they carry phone. They, you know, observe one thing for Nigeria now, eh? You know, see Nigerians, that small phone which China do for us, You know, see we know they carry the face, put for hair. Now the back, then they put for hair.
Make the back, the back, then they use. And then you want to say this. And then you want to say Nigeria don't turn upside down.
We don't turn upside down. We don't turn upside down, my brother. Where will they go? I don't know.
No. Where will they come from? We don't even know.
We don't even know where will they come from. They say, okay,
my brothers and sisters, now the matter be this one. If you say you not get interest for your government, you are just a fucking loser because you don't know what they do. You know, this time around, we have to have interest in what is happening and how we're going to change it. Because the one we have been seeing since 1960 is nonsense upon nonsense upon nonsense upon nonsense.
God bless you, my brother. See, my brothers and sisters, make I tell you now one thing. See, something will happen for America yesterday here, so we then vote. You understand? Then see, say somebody they add somehow say they you know sabi talk. They like say they threaten their life. Even young children will just finish school, where they know say they get access to vote. Then vote for the person will go please them. Say, which one Republican don't, they are one don't the two more. Then vote for Democrats. You understand? And Democrats now can't get more power now. Can't pass what then they expect. Self. Now they go come ask questions. Say, Oga, we say make you produce your tax return. You know, produce them. Okay, now we don't plenty now. We go ask you your tax return. So Nigeria is supposed to be like that as well. You understand? Presently now say, okay, now why don't this carry us go so far? Now only a few people now then they enjoy for that Nigeria. Oh, they so some family know they see only one food chop. You understand? So now opportunity don't come, chance don't come. Say Showore don't come and say, okay, I want to tackle all these people. Wanna give them the chance, make it do am. Say, who be Showore? And they ask that guy, the guy say Showore na tout. Now look and say, he bless make I jump inside this phone, come knock your head, or just come slap you for that place where you did so. Say Showore na office man, I ain't go take that position for those mumu where they wear agbada up and down. So that's where you no go be tout. Now you go come collect from this daily Milau where they dance up and down, where they sing their song up and down, where they drive a Lamborghini. So now so whatever will not be tout. Now you go come say he won't begin they continue to they pay people 100,000 and where on they take 18,000 and that 18,000 they affect many people because of say you now go carry 18,000 give somebody for end of the month. And now, why those people no go they collect bribe? If 18,000 be their salary for the end of the month, why they no go collect bribe?
Me back, they say, Labour Congress, Labour people where they do protest. Una know waiting be 30,000 naira for Europe. Una go not say that 10 euro now that they fight 10 euro.
Right, make I tell you, I they put gas for my phone. I mean for my for my car. $60. Almost 3-4 days now they use that gas finish. Imagine they pay somebody.
They go they campaign for 30,000. So even start with. Let me tell them, if you watch me, you they one of those Labour Congress people. I don't know what they call them. My brother, no you follow the drag. Manage 80,000 till the end of 2019. That's the fact. No, you follow the drag. When you leave them, because you don't get what you head that one make they do. Make you manage them till the end of 2019. Till the February 2019. We don't tire.
Now so. Because they don't used to that sufferness. Imagine Lagos State now. Then they call only one person, they control the whole Lagos State. Then they call
one man go come out. You go read my guy, Nigeria. May we wake up. May we say no. If they break the money, if they watch your news, if they watch your news for television, and they say no to you people. Any platform where they watch any news, the next thing where they're going to see that AAC for inside. because I want make them know say we don't tire for them. We don't tire for them.
Now so. Channel News, if Channel News they show anything that they talk, I go just listen say this is then they just talk like Malo way. Say people they control us. Their English self no they accurate. Even if I want to talk in a language, they want to talk. So that's why they post AACAs, maybe the answer, maybe the best thing we want.
Transmission. I mean. Transmission.
And my brother, so the social media, I mean this thing, the television program,
Okay, but I did live now. I just finished. I'll call that time. I'll call you. Okay.
The television program for Nigeria. You understand? All these channels. You dey hear me?
I hear you.
I say all this TV program, they don't even want progress for that Nigeria because those people they see clothes there.
Brother, make I tell you one thing where you don't understand. You know if fight your guy.
You say?
You understand? You know if fight your guy. One thing where they knew for Nigeria now AAC ideology and AAC take it back movement. It is straight to them because they don't believe say me this guy will not be locked up for social media. This guy spread social media, we follow everywhere. You understand? So then they say they see new thing as well. Then they say they imagine a new thing as well. But to their real sense of sitting down in their office, they can't find their boss.
Now so.
I don't call a lot. I don't try a lot way. You understand? It's one question, man, bro. We are not going to vote them, for example, but we can't fight our boss.
Now so.
They have auditor, they have director, they have studio director, they have those that are program who always coming to studio today. What they are going to publish next week, they have already arranged them all. We don't have current news in Nigeria. We just have old news. Even the thing will happen like 20 days before they give us on newspaper. Like, it's crazy, man. It's crazy.
But funny thing, when they invite you, they make you talk. When they talk with Moghalu, the lady they caution and say that thing way they talk now, they are busy to the TV language. You understand? Waiting be the TV language. Who be the professor? Who be the person we get the TV language? How then go want to express some? Where people
they give me TV language, look at the speak.
Steve get
I want to TV language.
No,
I want to TV language.
Steve get another language. Steve no get another language, Now the best way to talk and say these people now thief, they don't the thief.
No. They get another language. Bros, they get another language. Criminal. Criminal sexy now. Criminal sexy.
My brother, say this movement, no matter how, anywhere where you come from, they talk to most Nigerians, anybody where they watch this thing, anywhere where they come from, you see, say me and this person, we never even meet each other before, but we they talk like person, we say, we they share feeling to each other because this movement, now the best movement for this life, this take it back movement, and the person where they Europe, me where they America, on a day everywhere in the world, when they watch what we talk, more can see us would they relate, as we they relate. This movement, when they call Take It Back, AAC, they bring love, they bring joy to everybody. And I saw the joy and I saw the love go be forever. Because me and this person never met before. Me and him, they talk like say we don't know each other for many years. And we they understand each other. And I saw it's supposed to they be. Not be people who say then they carry gun, they sponsor all these area boys, maybe they kill each other because of post. And then they won't come better house and they are picking, they come school for a year. So Nigerians, mokuna think I beg if una won't sell una future, mokuna think well. I don't say mona no collect money for their hand though, because person where they hungry don't they see front. Now still una money una they collect now una share una they collect oh, but mona collect the money mona use na number 6 go vote for Omoyele Sowore to bring change. Mokuna shock them, mokuna surprise them, because una get access to many things now. Imagine person we won't contest for our next president go Dubai, go sit down. What thing did they do for Dubai? Why Omoyele they show already waka up and down, they talk to them, they feel now that person will get to our interest.
No, mind. Then they wait. On the 17th, and then you go see umbrella for up. You go see group for up.
And they
Now
carry
we
broom.
blue face say, I'll sweep your destiny. I go, the other one will carry blue, I'll cover your destiny. I'll cover your destiny. I'll cover your destiny. Now I go say, if they don't cover that, we'll go sweep her if we come. If they don't cover that, we'll go sweep her if we come.
My brother, now waiting I want tell them, be say, Mona just see what they happen, be say, person will get to a personal interest inside there. It just they come, talk to na one-on-one, they shake on hand. How many of na one-on-one vote for Buhari don't see Buhari face-to-face for life? How many una
Even the way
one-on-one
they
vote for
support them.
Atiku?
Even people will go buy tickets for Buhari, they never meet her once.
One-on-one, they never see her.
No.
But now they support lifeless human being. Person would say, if he, now they wake up, Yaradua dead there one time, he don't die. For many days, they don't even tell us say he don't die. He just dead. He don't die. They never tell us he don't die. So if this Buhari now enter something now, maybe something happened to him, he die now, then still goes the control, say he still dead. Now dead.
But
But
me, I hear say that once Sudan man, they go break over the several Buhari. Me, I hear say Buhari don't die for long. Now once Sudan man, they go carry con with the several Buhari. I feel never hear that rumor.
I never hear that. Now the first time I go hear that with this.
Yeah. But oh boy, guy, no, we make carry the rumor. Na watch BBC. Na carry on. Make the share go. Watch BBC.
No, you know funny thing that it get one house where for UK when they show for UK where I see for UK. You understand? Then say our government they come there, then they come relax. So our people with the UK come begin they carry this thing up and down. Say they don't like us and they take leave our money. Those people they try Range Rover Sport. You understand? Just tinted glass, then go just enter. You don't go know who enter safe. If these people carry a shower enter that house, if you don't go even know anything, they don't enter with that. Just imagine me and you, our own money buy that Range Rover Sport. And person go buy Range Rover Sport, come drive am for the road where he no repair. Who be the mumu? Who be the fool? Who be the mumu?
Bro, if we discuss this, their problem. I beg, anything we will do on our own individually, maybe they do to touch the grassroots. We are trying. If you check your Facebook messenger, say you see any Nigeria contact for inside your Facebook messenger, call them, talk to them. You understand? Just try write them. If you see and say you reply, you call them, talk to them directly. You understand? Canvas. We need to work like a pastor. We need to preach good news. We need to evangelize.
Evangelize, exactly. Now so.
What they call that the way they go church? Evangelism.
Evangelism. Now so you are right.
This is evangelism of good news.
Now
so. Understand? So my people, please.
Nobody say we know sabi good things now, but you know what happened.
Me, I run one person in before I go find with our one place.
Okay, my brother. Stay blessed, man. Nice talking to you, my brother.
We need to eat steady for this war. We one face 219.
So that we go get prepared.
Yeah, we are taking it back. And who's taking it back must be fit.
Must be strong, physically fit.
Not be who they waka. Now they run. Who they run. Let's go. If you want to jump first, we'll jump first. Follow them.
Go jump back. Go meet them to this day. That's so, my brother.
I love brother.
And you're blessed, my brother. Stay blessed,
you, brother.
Nice
Keep on doing what you do best. Thank you, bro.
One love, my brother.
Love, respect.
Take care, man. Yeah, respect.
Let me bring last thing before I cut out. We're not too good. I just a rope man. You're rope man. So Nigerians, please, it's time for we to unite and speak a good voice. You understand? It's time for we to unite. It's time for we to do a great thing. It's time for we to do another wonder thing, saying different things. Yeah, respect.
Hello, bro. Bro, I dey hail you.
I mean, hear you pass. After you, now you. Before you, now you.
Good evening, Baba.
How far?
I hope say we dey fine today.
Man, see the way they fine, they fresh.
Hey, now your face, let me dey look. So, bro, anyhow it be.
Not go look my face, so because my face now for this Buhari regime is strong.
Bro, you see, for quite some time now, me don't they follow you. I dey look and say, true, you be fan or follower of Omoyele Sowore, which is really not a bad idea. Now young man, I follow ever since when for Sahara Reporters, very good, excellent guy, good activist. But one thing I must tell you, we must be very, very realistic, okay? Nigeria politics, it not just be say we'll just sit down one place with a wish. You understand? So if we want really tackle, if we want actually tackle the likes of Atiku Abubakar, the likes of Buhari, my brother, no be small easy task. You understand? Like just day before yesterday when US conducted their midterm elections. You understand? The Democrats they try win House of Reps. And actually the state of Florida and Georgia, now Democrats, when the Obama party, now them be they expect to win. But as they fail am, it still go Republican, it still go Trump party. Wetin Obama talk, in come when he write, he tweets, he say they no fit just get electoral victory for just one single election. So na small small na gradual step. So wetin me go like tell you na be this. This one Shomore na nice guy, but bro, I dey see that in realization of to become Nigeria president to be very very realistic. I no be fan of PDP, I no be fan of APC.
Bro,
I am
nice.
only a fan. I am only a fan of good governance. My brother, whomever that can give us good governance, irrespective of your political affiliation, I am with you. But Showore, I no go lie you, and the thing go hard one kind of. Make I just tell you the truth. Because these people, when you want battle with, they get the money, billions in dollars. And you know Nigeria, we dey here. You now, I fit talk say, you know between the good and the bad, unto say you dey Europe. You don't see the way life suppose be. Make I just tell you the fact, my brother. You don't see the way life supposed be. Our people when they village, where they never even get television, they don't know good life. They don't know the difference between good life and bad life. You understand? We went there Europe like this. Now we they know say, man, light not supposed to be luxury. Good road not supposed to be luxury. Security not supposed to be luxury. You understand? We now, like me now when they France now, I feel no okay, see what the government do, see how government they plan as it's supposed to be. But people in the village for Niger, they never even get light, they never watch television, they don't know how Abuja be.
Bros, may I come in now? May I come in a little platform? I like your word. You say to face the life of Atiku and Buhari is a great task. Abi?
Okay. No be small.
Okay. How was the life of Babangida on seat? It was terrible more than this, or this was terrible more than
him? Actually, during that Babangida time, you know, say that time, now military dictatorship. Military dictatorship different from democracy.
Listen, and they bring us down, and they bring you come back. And before, I don't know how when you begin experience Nigeria politics, I say if I just say 1999, you go start to the experience. Understand?
Actually, in 1999, Nami actually begin follow them up.
Before 1999, they do election for Nigeria. You know about Tamabi?
And they do election that they truncate democracy and all of that.
You know about the SDP?
I know of SDP. AMPP, APP, all of them.
When all those parties they reign, when they top, where PDP they?
Actually, you know, since 1999, after Obasanjo come out, then they form PDP.
I know,
you know that one.
Now they tell you so. Say, listen.
Even our man, na PDM, our man, Tony Aneni, may so rest in peace when he just died last week. Now PDM, now metamorphose into PDP after Obasanjo don't come out. We know that, bros. You see the one point when me want hit, and when me want tell Showore, if he be saying they hear you, and every fan of Showore, you know me say he go be president to make the change. You understand? Me for suggest on my own, if now one senatorial seat, may contest for. When in the Senate, just listen, bro. When in the Senate,
Nigeria have a problem. Listen.
No, listen.
I will let you talk. I don't want you drive. Which way? If you say me and you will stop. We don't copy revise. You know that sound. So we do our traffic to traffic. Because me where they talk.
Okay.
Me where they talk to so if I don't call people from that Nigeria, even through Facebook Messenger, I don't call people for that. People where I don't know at all, where I don't know in Nigeria, and they call like 50, like I don't call more than 60 to 70. You understand my point? We know you just dey Europe there. Me dey Europe here. Abi? Me and you not dey home.
That's so.
But me, I can't tell you now, say, now leave this body dey Europe. The so Na inside that place e dey. Because 24 hours, we dey check out wetin dey happen. You understand? See, make I tell you, Nigeria get problem. The only problem wey Nigeria get this time around, I swear to God, the only problem wey Nigeria get na presidential problem. You understand? Let me tell you, brother, we are not talking of, if you are talking of party, personally, I'm not interested of whosoever party. What I'm interested is individual who is coming out from your party. You understand my problem, my point? And why I'm interested in the party is because I know who is coming out is going to work with the party ideology. You understand? So
Yes,
that's what I'm telling you, brother. If you are going to change anything in Nigeria, you are going under PDP. Let me tell you what you just succeed to do. You succeed to go and be a ritualist. Then if you are going to APC, you just succeed to sell your soul to the devil. Because those party bros, there were never a party. There'll never be a party there. If you don't know the history of them, we will tell you. PDP is a company of criminal. APC is a company of corruption. The only party I have in Nigeria right now that really have a structure. Listen, we are not talking of winning the presidential election in stress. You know what will be our problem?
Brother,
Let's build a generator. Talking of presidential election at this time is too far for me, who said. What I'm trying to do.
Brother, you think say it easy? You need to be 774 local governments to get structures for 774 local governments.
Okay, now do you know how many people have traveled inside all of them under 3 months, under 2 months?
Bros, me they follow am. I think they go Jigawa, they go Katsina, they go all of them. Me they follow Sowore. Wait till me they try tell you if we even say more speak of individual, more go by individual, na Ezekwesili. Okay, that woman when don't even sacrifice her everything for Nigerians, now be number one. Listen to me, I beg, make a quick talk. You see the last time when we said that we want to try form coalition, Moghalu, Kingsley Moghalu, Fela Durotoye, all of them when they're young, they want to try form coalition. You know what thing? Now the same problem when they run from it, now we could still run jam. Because if not still be the greediness, even your own Omoyole Sowore, they're supposed to even come down. Say now Nigeria will fight for their personal interest. Wait, oh brother, you wait.
Okay,
you
come
wait
on,
now.
I'll give you clear.
At that point, they're supposed to team up together, regardless of who go eventually.
That is the wrong thing. That is the wrong thing. Bro, no, you don't know what you are saying now. I will put you through quickly because this is the wrong thing we want to face then. Listen. If you know about politics, tell me. Understand? I follow you just about politics. You understand? Politics not be the rule and the local. Politics get rule and regulation. And politics, you know now, you understand? Politics get rule and regulation. You understand? I tell you now, I said the politics where you feel observed, like from 99. You understand? We see before there. You understand? So politics get rule and regulation. And politics get, before you become a party, let me tell you, you must meet up to everything. Before you become a party, you must have a secretariat in how many state local government. You must have representative in how many states. But it's like, okay, now listen. You want them to come together as a coalition, Abi? Which everybody is not, nobody, wait now, out of all of them, no one is candidate yet. All of them was aspirants. Understand? When you are saying about Sowore, if you say they follow Sowore up, you go know say the first day when you go that meeting, he say this coalition must be set up and must have a aspirant before we choose. How can you imagine? We are running for on closed door government. Then you are giving me a coalition with 7 people or 8 people. Brother, let's do something.
My brother, may not be like say we just the talk, we no get direction. Now my own direction I be this. My own advice to Sowore I be this. You must not be a president to make that change. All right? This is it. Even as a House Assembly member, you can make the change in your own little way.
Bro, sorry.
I beg. Just wait. We are found. Unfortunately, we are found ourselves in a political stalemate in Nigeria. Now, politically, Nigeria be like sin and darkness. Even na for one corner, you feel shine as the light. Gradually, you go dey affect other areas. This is my own suggestion. This is my own suggestion. Listen to me, abeg. This is my own suggestion. If Sowore can from Ondo State go to the Senate, while in the Senate, he brings up motions. He brings up motions that can effect changes, even though those motions they don't see the light of the day. Because in our minority,
bro,
he go dey
my
speak.
battery don't run down. Make I help you small. Make I help you small. My battery don't run down. Make I help you small. Listen, I think
brother, plug on. Now Europe, you get light there. You get light there.
Wait. No, I know people plug my phone. They talk. You understand? Because I hang on. See, listen, my brother. See, you go be rule Nigeria. You go be rule your Senate. If you work as Senate, like normal the way you be, so your time never reach. If you tell me now, say 47 years old man, listen now. If they tell me say 47 years old man never reach to rule your country, then listen, country where you say
me not talk like
where you no 47 years old
no. You see, brother, you don't understand me. Now the structure on ground. Let me they talk. How many people? How many people you want call from there? How many people you want call from Valletta or from Malta? How many people you want call from home? So I'm gonna go vote for Sowore.
Bros,
my brother, see, listen to me. I can assure you this. Take my words to the bank. I can assure you this. Sowore no go get vote outside Lagos, probably outside Oyo, outside Ondo State. Okay, for Lagos, listen to me, brother. Make I tell you my reason for Lagos. Make I tell you. No. You wait. I know they hear what you they talk. We know they hear what you they talk. It be like say your battery done down.
Listen, you hear now.
I hear now. See. Just abeg. You just wait. Oh, brother, you see something, this politics one they look, not be my game, See, you see what happened for Osun State recently when they said PDP win, Adeleke win, they turn am give APC. So because they get state apparatus at their disposal, they can unleash it on you at any time. You see what you follow up Osun State, you see people and they say that they cut, they bleed. Me and you know say PDP now win that Osun State. You this one my mind to this one a city senator.
When you are, let me tell you, what are you expecting when you are voting a criminal and a killer? What do you think? What do you think you are going to get as the outcome? That was what happened in Osun State and Ekiti State. They were voting a criminal and a killer. So that thing is just going to happen. This time around, we are telling you, my brother, listen.
Okay.
My brother, listen. A tree cannot make a forest.
The bottom line should be this: let Fela Durotoye, Kingsley Moghalu, your own Sowore, let them all step down and support Obi Ezekwesili. If you are really
this is good idea. Listen.
If you are really in for change, let them all support Obi Ezekwesili. It will be very, very nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Make I tell you. Listen, I assure you this. Okay, I assure you this with the political reality on ground. My brother, now PDP now go win them. Okay, I not be fan of PDP.
Bros, you know,
but your Sowore, not go even get up to 100 votes for Edo State.
Thank you. God bless you. Listen, my brother. Listen. Let me tell you something you don't know about. Listen. I meet up to the youth of these days of Nigeria. Not understand? Because why? When una they grow, they come. Una grow come meet this bad government. Una grow come meet and say, person don't swear to me say he over a dead body. He no say person don't tell me say he no say Sowore go enter Nigeria. He go change everything. But over a dead body, no go vote for him. Come for speak for Nigeria to change. I swear, person don't tell me
everything is possible. Wait a minute, for Sowore to be president. I know say no dey impossible, but now gradually.
All those things now, where they look at from outside, my brother. Make I tell you the facts. May I tell you the fact on ground. If you can rule your country, if you can rule any councillor in your state, my brother, come talk for inside the government. Since you they look at now say any IB, that echoes the way they talk. So for sure, she is a nice person to rule Nigeria. Fela Durotoye is a nice person to rule Nigeria. Christy Mogalo is a nice person to rule Nigeria. Omoyele Sowore is a nice person to rule Nigeria. The only nice people who cannot rule Nigeria is PDP and APC, my brother.
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Can I ask just a question?
Yes.
Yes. Does Sowore has what it takes, the political structure, the financial war chest to challenge these people in government?
Okay. Yes.
Yes or no?
Do you know that?
Just yes or no?
Yes, of course. Do you know what is capital right now? Let me tell you something, my brother. If you don't know what is happening,
now to they go Australia, now to they go Australia to the jog for streets, or they stay one hotel when be say never fit stay when they Sahara reporters. Now you win.
Bros,
my brother, you can see people Abubakar. They strategize to Dubai. They strategize how they want to win. In the Australia, the job. Come on, my brother. Politics is not just coming on Facebook.
Brother. Even men looking at you. I know say you don't lose hope for the country. This one I mean, I tell you true. So may I tell you one thing, May I tell you, if you don't want to study, I don't say you don't lose hope. You understand? If you don't want to study the country, for now you're the job inside. You don't know where this take it back and all they come. Not be something where people say me want to take them back. Now listen to me, my brother. When you wake up, listen now. When you wake up,
bro,
and realize yourself,
you become fanatical about this whole thing. Me no say fire and your guy Sowore no good. He's good, but let's face the reality on ground. Me no for sure.
Okay, now not best. Let you break down easily. Give me 1 second for that word. What is the reality on ground?
Okay, the reality on ground is this. For you to win an election in Nigeria, my brother, you need more than just money.
Is that?
Let me tell you.
Okay, bros, is that just the reality before? Is that supposed to be the reality?
That is not supposed to be, but that is our own system back home. It is undeniable.
Bros.
It is undeniable.
Bros, just wake up. Even though you don't do anything, even though you support them, just wake up. Say, our government is trying to say what? No to stupidity. Bros, may I tell you, any country where
not to stupidity
Nigeria not there.
Sure.
Person will not get
see, bro.
They rule you. You see they talk say alternative not there apart from what it be money. Listen, if me
alternative there, but my brother, don't you realize these alternatives? You just see that my mind.
My brother, if me and you were there, Europe donate €1. Listen, if me and you donate €1, we have close to 300 million Nigeria. I don't know how many million Nigeria there abroad. If we donate €1, just come on €1. Calculate how much it will be, and tell me why we not go fit use our own phone and our own power we will get for us. They join together, change this government for their hand undergroundly.
My brother. Okay, my brother. Now our €1 go polling booths go vote. Now our €1 go secure the polling booths to make sure say on that they say they no ballot buses. No, you wait. Now our €1 go make INEC officials no manipulate results.
Yes.
My brother, with waiting.
Yes.
With waiting. Oh. My brother, all these people. My brother, see something. Oh, all these people, no, they know the reason the way you they reason. If for Osun State, they fit deduct a whole 1,000 votes from PDP Adeda, your local government for Osun State during the election with all the money, all the influence when they get. So even though Sowore they win, now you won't come to see people in the government, they don't fit change them.
Bros.
Brother.
Bros, listen now. You know, if you see the kind of campaign what Sowore they campaign. But Sowore they campaign, you know they hide the math, they campaign. You know why? Because you know, say, when time come for that day. See, my brother, let me tell you firstly with respect about humility. When they tell you say somebody have humility, somebody have been fighting these people for 30 years, with still being alive to this time. And now, listen, what you show what they do for all the whole Nigeria, the whole campaign where they campaign. Tell me truth. Among all these parties, so I don't campaign for your eye like that. Just tell me truth. The real campaign, this is the real. No, just tell me one. You measure a lot of.
ADY.
Yes.
ADY. Incredibly well. no gainsay about that. I know if he argue that one. Wait till me they talk now, say we need to wake up to the reality. Left to me, I want a change. I don't want APC, I don't want PDP. Left to me. But this change, can we effect this change? Can we effect this change? Can we effect this change? Now the problem be that, and in the absence of effecting a change, in the absence of effecting this change, we'll have to go for the lesser devil. Look, PDP and APC, they are both devils, but we are only left to go for the lesser devil because it is obvious, say these two people, they're not going to allow. Listen to me, they're not going to allow even Obi Ezekwesili to come in.
Okay, bro.
Kingsley Moghalu will come in. Now listen to me. Yes, I come. Look,
so that make I bring another person in.
Okay, no other. Now, this guy gets the structure, to fit manipulate Tinubu for Lagos, or to manipulate Tinubu for Osun State. He go fit manipulate Atiku Abubakar for Adamawa.
Just give me 1 minute.
My brother, the bottom line of it is this. I don't round up, brother. Bro, I don't round up. The bottom line of it is this, Tell Sowore, listen to me, make he organize himself, make he organize him followers. Sowore get one very nice guy for Lagos, Adeyeye. Okay, that guy when they rusticate from Unilag, make that guy stand for House of Reps. He go win. Make Sowore go Senate. Make in other followers or whatever. Make them go. By the time they begin the effect change. Now you wait. By the time they begin the effect the change from the.
I know they wait. That's all that people does for wait for since 1960. Wait.
Okay, brother. See, now just 3 months plus for here. Now just 3 months plus for here. We go see the reality. But all the same, make we go for Atiku Abubakar. Okay? Instead of Buhari, go to
Atiku for yourself. Ciao. That one is one of the people who need to wake. That one of the people who need to carry go psychiatric as well. And my brother, but we need to tread on the truth. See, they preach about Atiku at this time. I bet me I put the last person calling him, I go flex at the age. It make me pity. So my brothers and sisters, that guy just now and my brother just using Atiku come. So no stress. Make your Atiku strong. Last person to go. Yeah, my mama, I pick up.
Now, good evening.
Auntie, good evening.
Good evening. You dey see what this boy wey just saw. This one of the youth where they talk about. So all these kind of people now one of the youth where they talk about be this one. So one of the youths. All these kind of people, you're not supposed to bring their enter inside your platform. No, imagine the kind of word you talk about Atiku. What do Atiku do for you for Nigeria? You dey Europe here, you dey here now, you dey enjoy. I believe that Europe here, now this boy there now they talk with internet since. People there for Nigeria, they don't get free, they don't get Wi-Fi, they don't feel common 500 naira to even take buy airtime for phone. They don't feel buy for their phone. You they say me they bring Atiku come back again. Now one for now, some of una will be youth. I don't know what they worry una pray. What it be all this one?
Lot of work.
This one and one.
A lot of work. We need to carry daughter come.
One of the people come outside. See the kind of word where they talk, they come outside for man. So without Atiku and Buhari now, nobody go feel rule Nigeria again. Without Atiku and Buhari, without PDP and APC, nobody can rule Nigeria except those people. Oh boy, may you try, may you go get sense well, Try to get sense well. The country, this Europe where you did so. I'm not saying maybe that your papa feel sponsor you can, maybe if it be one of these people where they benefit from this government them. Or maybe you don't get where you don't get where they for the you don't get what you don't do for government, where government they can't find a way to run enter Europe so may you calculate and sit down yourself, think and where things benefit when you get for year. Your especially number one thing as you day here, so your life is very secure, very safe. Now that one be number one priority for life. Make your life dey safe. Your life not there safe. There is nothing else. People living in Nigeria, their life is not safe. Their life is not safe. But you are living in a country where your life is secure. Everything there for you. 24 hours light. Light not the off for country where you there so. See one boy where got thief now. Police that they parade those boys, the thief goats that they parade them. Europe where you there for years, so person office thief where police they parade them. I beg oh boy, may you get sense. Sit down for yourself. May you think about your generation. Think about people life where they die every day. They think about people, not they think about yourself. Because when they worry we black, especially we Nigeria, we always think about ourselves so much. We don't care about other people. Try to think about another person. You hear? People left, then they waste for there. Now people they rustigate for inside darkness for there. APC and PDP, they don't get anything when they offer us since how many years when they're in power. I think we use Nigeria money to enrich itself. Then you see they come back again, one come enrich itself more. What do Atiku want to do for us? You know, if he ask this man just now, say, what do he want to do for us? What do Atiku never do before where he want to do?
The kind of people where he talks say Nigeria not going to be good again, like so their mind not come out. They all need everything, make all day the way they. Based on any enter Europe, you see they feel the sense small thing they go out, or maybe all those he bid for Nigeria now, then they open to talk about them now, they do everything. Sorry to say, I pay more not bad. All those things they made them, they call they bust their head. Call the reason they want to be a guy for life. So they want to make the whole thing your day like that. So that made them feel they see all those our guests. Where they follow them, they talk online. Where they show their body, they do everything. Now that one, that be those one plan, those one are young plan. Those one are the people who you know that Europe, that one are their plan. That made them all the same, the country young square. Then the whole people wait first day, their whole plan there, they don't want to make anybody not call them Oga, they want to be Oga for life, for their house.
I beg oh boy, may you sit down, if they hear not, sit down, may you think. Because you know they read your message when people they give you just if they say you look at you for they see what people they comment for you. Do you have you are a wicked person? Try to go and change. You are very, very young. You are so young. Change your lifestyle. And they talk about, they say there are many of them for here where they diaspora here, where they support this government. What did they worry you, oh boy? Take your time. People are dying. We are losing a lot of our youth. Those small boys, so they go thief goats, common goats. They're hungry. They don't begin because of hungry. All of them don't enter crime. No job, nothing for Nigeria. You are happy about it, proud about Atiku. What Atiku want to do for Nigeria? What Atiku want give Nigeria? What he want do for Nigeria? Since Atiku not their power, how many schools Atiku don't go build? How many hospitals Atiku don't go build for the poor people? How many? Go see the schools where they say are government school. Go see all the schools, the children they sit down for grant, another grant they sit down they learn. Now so Europe where you there here, now so it be. Now so that they sit down for grant. Now so that they sit down for grant. You know they shame for yourself. You know they shame. You know they shame. They ask you say which country you come from Nigeria. All Nigerian citizens, they are all over the world. All of them there for prison. The one where there for prison, there for prison. Most of them they sleep for street for Italy. They don't get house. You know they shame about that one. You are not ashamed of it. A young youth like you, you are destroying the youth, your fellow youth future. Take your time. Don't let the wrath of God to fall upon your heads. Take your time. Idiot.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you for telling him, man. The youth of these days, you try and wake up. You try and understand something that this life we need to quickly and hurry. If there is an emergency need to take Nigeria back, a very, very important need. You know, we need to wake up now fast. This is the time to do the thing we have to do. Very important. Stop thinking Atiku, stop thinking Buhari, stop thinking all those trash who is not leading us to nowhere. They cannot even take us to any place. Please, my brothers and sisters, please, let's start thinking how to take it back successfully. Thank you, bro. Let's start thinking how to take it back successfully. Please. Hey, Mama, what's up?
Adeo, good evening.
How far?
Adeo, you see that color just now? I will say, Jordan near me, the kind slap where forgive my face for tongue go back. He say no, Omoyele Sowore since where don't they do Shara reporter.
No, that one I like.
Where they fight with where Abiola they fight that time. Where in they? Some boys don't just they think they don't just get sense. I will say now my boyfriend will break his heart this night. The one for take this boyfriend down. God, he carried that for head like mad person. If he dey online, make they hear me. He not the shame. He generation to generation. 9 months suffer this. Who go say me Nigeria no better? 2019. Because now they make us dey here. I know as we take the suffer for this Europe where we dey so. We not get one respect we not get for year. If we just talk say we be Nigeria, they'll say Nigeria. Now they talk. You know that way. If I come for her this night, he go receive her by fire. That boy na idiot. If na Atiku or Buhari send am come, may go tell them say the people where they or Sowore back, he strong past them.
Yeah, the thing wey be say man, they have to be say. Me personally, I don't dey call the Europe. I dey enter my Facebook, they find Nigeria address, Nigeria Facebook website, the one where they Nigeria.
Yes, I still dey do, and I wait till they do. I tell my family, I say come. If una no vote for AAC, no money, I no get 1 naira why they say give una again. God is show my friends.
One word, when they talk, you go say we don't tire, but the politics will not concern us again. That make me say make I ask this question. The person wey not get certificate, he go dey rule over those when he get master degree. That one a good thing.
Wait, get master, go school. Imagine see Atiku. He did this just now. No fit read. They thought say there is some problem. The same transmission. I'm tired. I dey shame. See the man face self. He be like all those cheapers the way they don't reject for Zoom. And they share me even they share to call myself Nigeria, but I'm proud of my country because we get what it takes to get money. But our leaders they chop on. That they eat the money. We get what it takes to get money, but they eat on. Nobody not be saying a month. No country go fit boast say they get money reach us. But now the way our leaders say they use and they embezzle on. Now so God go take punish them one by one. They never say anything. So we're 2019. Who want that? May they hear me? May that color they hear me now. Who want that? May use that this one. They say may we vote for may Sowore join the Kwesele. That's the Kwesele. When Sowore done the fight, that's the Kwesele. They don't even the year of. He saying they follow. He don't know anything. He don't know anything about Sowore. I see they eat shares say. During election time, nobody go fit do mago for that election. I see the natural split. Nobody, they never know. They never know. Now, what did they hear? If they say Sowore they run for this thing, Sowore they do this. What did Sowore they do? He own person go fit one. Even Buhari or Ezekwesili go fit one.
Make I tell you, if they say we support Ekwesili, I be whosoever, our mama.
Yes, now. Let I say now Buhari.
Understand?
He say Atiku.
If the big say Osowore dey campaign for Ore, Ofeladuro dey campaign for Osogbo, Madam Ekwesili dey campaign for Oyo State. Everybody go spread around, spread the good news.
Yes, now. He said now to the run they go for Austria, they run they go abroad, they do this thing. He not get sense. Nigeria good now he run come abroad. Nigeria good. You know say I carry jail like all those crazy people where they don't reject for psychiatry. I know the verse for her. If to say I did where I did, I for don't use her. If I naturally slap, I forgive my hair for tongue go back because it is they verse me. All those kind of people now they like to the face. May they hear me.
I just see PDP.
May they come. God go punish all of them. That's why I see they fire them. I they fire them for CNN for China TV where they fire them anytime I do online. I they go with them because I see nowhere youth where youth no go get sense. They say they go school. I'm not sure say that boy go school. If that boy go school, you no go talk say make they vote for Atiku. Atiku will be embalmed. They don't already embalm. I never there. Say face be. It's not because see that one. It's not because see that one. Conversion no go all. I have the shame for that guy. I have the shame for that guy. True to God. I pity for boy with girl where they follow on. He never see boyfriend though. In fact, he never see husband if he don't marry. Now Mumu. Now what I want you to tell him be that may they hear me. May they hear me. Get not say far. You know they Italian. No man.
Thank you very much for the job. I bet Mona continue to do.
Okay. Yes, so see, take it back. Action. Yes, so.
See, when the family we say we are full of action. We dey see truth, we dey tell truth to truth. That be the game. You understand? We just dey tell truth to truth. Anytime we see truth, they tell them. That make our truth they are afraid of us. You understand? It's good to be truthful, and AAC is ready. Please, my people, let's stand up and say enough is enough. Let's say no to these stupid things. Let's say no to person who doesn't have certificate, who is ruling over us. So that's why this evening I really stand by well for this my television. Make I really talk well because I don't tell you they do off and on. So this evening I just stand by, make we really discuss this issue. You understand? So bad leaders, I beg, make una leave us alone. We don't need una again. We don't need una again. PC and PDP, Mona leave us alone. Me mo call shop for me. I don't shop me if I remember say I get una for life. More not verse. I don't be where they was. At that time they continue to play.
God bless you, my brother.
Bro.
I salute you.
I salute you, my bro.
The spirit is high. The spirit is high everywhere in the world now. Nigerians are not. It's a cause for victory. I am seeing that very soon we are winning the election by December, January. We have already won the election.
Of course, by January.
Because even
who is going to contest?
Yesterday, I had.
Who is the candidate?
I had a sleepless night. Because of this cause. I was sensitizing people, calling people down home in Nigeria that see, open your eyes. Don't be deceived by these political cabals. They have no sense. They have no little IQ or a bit of sense in their memory. And it is high time for we to wake up. And I know come 2019, Nigeria will laugh again.
Amen.
Nigeria will do what? Will laugh again.
Amen.
I'm so sure. Very soon, we are going to say that I am proud to come from Nigeria.
Of course.
Because we are going to have value.
Of course.
Anywhere we are in the world. Our passport will have value.
Amen.
Our heritage will have value. Even the black race will have value.
That's my dream.
Like
all the black race must have value, man. That's the dream.
Yes. We have no option. We see the way they have been just putting racist on us ever since. Yeah, where I am, I can't move freely because sometimes I feel ashamed when all these stupid Oyibo, stupid people, monkey people, and they are saying that their papa na monkey. Then they be monkey. White monkeys. They have no sense. They have no brain. Poverty ain't go kill them. When Nigeria wake up, when we wake up and vote the right person and have that good leader, then they will know that truly we are on a course to redeem our nation back. And come 2019, we are taking it back.
Amen.
No shaking.
Yes, so.
No shaking. Brother, you too much. You too
No
much.
time again, bro.
Just
Respect. Thank you very much, my brother. We are taking it back. As you say, we are taking it back. No time to take it. No time to look time. No time to check time. Man, we just stay here today a little bit time. I get time today. We just chill out, you know. So if you don't say why just come in, come contribute for us to take it back, you are welcome. Because many people they say, man, guy, if you just come like your rush, you just come like your rush, come on. But today I just relax, you know. Like,
I know.
yeah, bro, respect.
Yeah, how you doing, man?
I'm going, bro.
The greatest Nigeria people. The greatest Nigeria people. I got your side now.
Man, bro, thank you very much, bro. Welcome. Good evening. How about
you? I totally
yeah, bro, I do. What will be the help? What will help your country? What will be the help? What they do for this our movement? What is your view? What is your side?
Brother, PDP and APC, they're already dead.
Okay.
So waiting.
And now, what do you do? Want to go bury there?
Yeah, they don't already bury themselves. Okay. Number one thing, I want to refer that guy when they talk just now, when they say, made the new article, say, made them say this thing. But I call it small boy. Why I call it small boy is that if you can remember when Atiku be vice president, 1999 till 2007, Atiku when they see so, you know they laugh, oh, very wicked. You know they laugh. Man. You will wear grass. When they put that sunshade for iron, Atiku know they laugh.
Very wicked.
That throughout 8 years, if you can remember when you go buy house for Genevieve for Ghana. When Titi Atiku come they pursue Genevieve. That time, I was in Lagos. I can remember. That was between 2004-05, if I'm not mistaken.
4-5, yeah.
So
I was in Lagos at then. 4-5.
You understand? And if you look this guy when they talk just now, that time na small boy na he be. You don't know. He just now waiting they see now. Now he make and they talk.
People don't know. People don't hear about Atiku when Atiku be custom.
You understand me? So you see that
people don't hear what Atiku don't do with our money.
Now very, very when be say that country, he go root and he go even sell that country self. You just look there so now. They just don't get to.
President now, the next day we go see Nigeria for him for Alibaba.
You understand me? So may I just flash this guy when he talk? May I just flash his brain back? You know, we want to be the greatest Nigeria people. We get sense. We get sense. We know what it do. You know, if you can flash your brain back, when we say PDP, they for power, since 1999. So when they come do election, if you can remember for Edo State, when we say they don't need PDP, when Osumbo and Oshomole contest. No, and Lucky Manswell was the deputy governor. So deputy other Osumbo. So Oshomole was contesting under APC. So everybody, may you tell know our country, everybody, they gather mind. They say they don't need PDP again. Everybody, they vote for Adam Oshomole. But yes. Adam Oshomole now, he win the election, but they don't give him the mandate. But now the youth choose. That is the greatest Nigeria people. In 2015, when they want to do election, PDP and APC, Nigeria, they don't tire for PDP. They don't want to hear that name because during PDP, oppression, injustice, so many things, atrocity, so many things they go on. So Nigeria don't want to hear PDP. So everybody gather. So they vote for APC. Buhari win that election, free and fair election. That is our greatest Nigeria people. So Buhari come now. In 3 years, it be like saying 50 years. Hardship everywhere. It could be that say the one when he did before, now he better pass. And the one when he did before, he not even good. So right now, Nigeria, they go come gather one heart, one mind. They go surprise now. The thing, all those them Buhari, all those PDP and APC, now he's tester, now he go shock them. He go shock them for his tester.
They go shock.
Nice tester. They don't believe. I believe my greatest Nigeria people. My greatest Nigeria people. I believe them. I know what they can do. You understand?
Thank you, my brother.
So
I most start to talk to them the way they do. You understand?
So, you understand?
So all those all those one way come. So I go find a number. I go call her one-on-one. Tomorrow I go do video for AAC.
You understand me? So
yeah.
this election when they come,
we need to catch them when they are young. We need to catch them when they are young.
Yes, 1,000,000%.
Oh.
1,000,000% AAC.
Thank you very much,
my winning this election.
One love.
AAC
for life. One love. I did lie today. I tell you. Don Tony, may I invite you? Don Tony, the building. Let's see what's up about you, man. Yeah, where you?
Hello,
now?
Brother. Good evening.
Good evening, bros. I'm a great pass after you, you before you, you.
Hello. I call you from Italy.
Okay, yeah, that's a William for real.
Okay, you already know the name now. Okay, for me,
what's your contribution in this movement?
For me, me no beg anybody. May they vote for PDP and APC. That two parties, they destroy our country today. Now, man, even we be Nigeria, we are so for another man land for year. If he reason I got to breast Nigeria, he not breast another country like that. With our country now, we know the FICO. You don't get person to suffer risk for Nigeria. May they sleep outside. You know they.
Okay.
You don't get person to suffer feet for Nigeria. May not see food to eat. You know they. God bless us. We don't get leader. All the answer they be Mugu. Answer rule Nigeria. That country no feel better. Even though na small while. Now the old male. Anyone we rule that country no fit change. You understand, bros? All these APC and PDP, they are two, they be criminal. They are two not good. They are two not the same. Now me and you, they call on the two party. They be one party. They are do something together.
Yeah.
They
be one party now. Nigeria. PDP and APC is just one party.
Just one party. Bros. Now one party. Now, after 16 years, PDP Nigeria, we don't see anything. Abacha enter, he finished work. Abacha Yoko, he finished work. Now, Gerard Wako come, good luck he come. Buhari come. Now they send the same excuse. Now they give.
The same level, the same food that they give us.
I see the thing when they go for Buhari that day, people they happy. Shape Buhari, but also people they are happy. Shape Buhari. Today now, everybody is all together now. But the outside people we can't put for head, and we be where the kiss people we kiss can't put for head. Everybody are suffer together because 1,000 naira or bag of rice, they will sell their life tomorrow.
They'll sell their life for 1,000. Nigerian people we too cheap. Before I sell my rights, I go know say my life go better for everlasting.
And because they be mugu. They don't get sense. People when they travel, we will travel well. Don't know another man country be. All them are not wise. Because before you go play the mugu, it go hard. Before you go talk one thing or two things, you don't catch it for one layer way left for the first one we first talk. Our people, they don't want to hear. They just see money. They fight.
Yeah, they don't go here because they don't go here because first of all, that's the way they're hungry. You know, we make a year your word. So only way we will continue to do is say, I beg, before you go, make I really tell you, try how You just say connect your people to the moving train. You know, I beg, we need hands together to pick our country and our state back to the right place. I beg, my brother.
Now prayer, we pray for that country. The prayer. See the country where I did for you now.
Yeah. Even though I 5 poster, now if you print for your street, you print out for your street. You understand? Even though I only 5 poster, say I don't need Atiku and Abubakar, Atiku and Buhari. I need this.
Atiku na
even though poster, put them for your street. You understand?
No problem, brother. No problem.
One love, my brother. God bless you, bro. One love.
Thank you very much, I appreciate it,
bro. Yeah. Let's go one person more, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did like no shaking, no rush. I shall go do back with say man, may not for you go reach everybody in hand. Today we did line, you know. Today not be the way the rush. See. Stars, please, it's important. I just want to talk this one, stick off our ear. A man without certificate cannot be my president anymore. A man without certificate cannot be your president anymore. It's a disgrace. It's a national disgrace. It's a national disgrace that now they are presenting certificate to our Buhari, not even certificate now. Let me invite to my girl. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go there. I sight you from above.
You want to use laugh, give me for 81.
I beg, no marry go.
Good evening, my people. 81. You know, say I too love you. You understand? I too love you. I don't know why. See why I call you 81. May I contribute my own? I know say they not like what I want to talk, so but now the truth. It good may all of us go back to school because all these our bad leaders, they not let us go school. We be say we not that we not gonna think who it good make even our sisters will call you. They saw that guy where they talk to you, Good evening, my brother. See. It gets some of our sister where call because of that guy where call they talk to you where you caught for your head. Now that one make me laugh. You know, say when I call they go school for where I did so Oyibo can make me understand. Say everybody get your own opinion.
Yes.
You understand? Yes. Any opinion where person bring to your platform, you don't need to vex. If it make you vex. If it make you vex on that moment, but if you don't take, just take and say, everybody get your own opinion. Because we Nigeria, the truth of the matter, even though you be graduate, it good no still go back to school. Because Nigeria education, not be my brother, not be at all. Oyibo, they settle down teach you. They'll settle down teach you and the thing you know, you understand.
No, the way you go to the teach. I don't know go school when I see the way you go to the teacher.
Of my friend, not the yeg. Listen, get one of my friend there, Becky, not the yeg, they Germany. When I want to start school for year again, I say I want to go back to school. He said, we are one building here for. I say, so funny, You understand? I put the effort. I say, yeah, most of Bena, so funny, You know, for Nigeria, they say, they were work be but me come know for here. My brother, you see, say our leaders they punish their children, not be us. See, that guy will call you, That guy will call you, I listen to all your conversation. That guy gets a lot of points, but you know what I did against that guy for? You know, there is no handy trial. Let us show what they go try. You understand? Before he go come say, may God forbid you know win. Before he go come say, I want to go and go for House of Rep. There is no how you try. Don't bring yourself so low to anybody. Don't bring yourself low. You understand? So now that one no like for what that boy they talk say make you go House of Rep. No, let him go for president. Let him try. You understand? Now only that one I no like wetin they talk. But the guy get point. Our country, we know as it dey happen. We know many things where they happen for that country, my brother.
Yeah.
You understand? That guy, I pick many things for your opinion. You know what they talk, oh, but the rest people, all those women where they cause am to say, you don't know what they call it, blah blah blah. You know, we know what they. You understand? We know what they politics.
Yeah.
But this politics wey wan happen so na revolution politics. Revolution wey be say youth go come and say Buhari no, Atiku no, na don fair rule us. Let another person contest. Na that revolution go come. No other revolution. If youth not stand up say Buhari no, Atiku no, my brother, Atiku still enter again. Me, I don't want Atiku, I don't want Buhari. You understand? Any other new person,
You have to
no,
speak. You have to speak up.
yes,
You have to
any
speak
other new person, mo will try. Me, I know they depend on one person, oh, because Oshomole, when bad people don't campaign for Oshomole finish, now see what it take pay our people back. Me, I know they stand for one person. My brother, now that one now why you stop for this issue. So that guy, my brother, Mona no vex for him. He get a lot of points because you know, our country, we know what he did. You understand? The only way I don't like
your mind. This platform.
The only way I not like for the guy. The only way I not like for the guy not get faith. You understand? I don't say Orion Kagboma, he no get faith. Let Oshowore go for president. If he win. If he not win, we will know say no win. Let him go there.
You very much.
You understand?
Thank you, my wife.
Thank you, my brother.
We'll call. I'll talk to you later or tomorrow. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Hello. Yeah, evening. Okay, if I finish live now, I'll sell them for you immediately because they my phone I they use. I'll come out. Okay. My people, may I bring in the last person because another budget don't come again, you know. And so more the row. Colleagues. We're not both so my brothers on now you again, my brother. Now you are one bringing again. You are coming finish your talk. As I say, I continue before let me bring you back.
I beg just small time, I beg just small time. Actually, me, by the grace of God, I go into that politics. I go effect change if our leaders don't effect change. And then one thing when I don't learn from my political mentors now say, you must not take abuse. The day you step into politics, insults now your name. So for Jennifer and then the rest of Rita Morgan when they comment, that one to me now laugh. As I say, they comment, I they laugh. My stand is this, okay? Let there be a cohesive building of the political structure of AAC before we can talk of challenging the political heavyweights. Okay?
You know why I bring you coming? May I tell you why I bring you coming? No. You know why I bring you coming? No, Baba. I don't like the way I take talks. I mean, you don't know say I just talk now because another person want to come in. Understand? I know if I me, I go vex. Say why this guy go, you know, because this is, you know what's in this page? Talk your mind. Anyhow, you want to talk calm.
Baba, you say.
So just carry on.
Baba, you say. For me, I be politician in the making. Even though, even if una insult me, it no concern me. Okay, just as that last caller talk, I'm entitled to my own opinion. All right, everybody. We may differ in opinions. Okay, that doesn't make us enemies. Okay. We shouldn't resort to abusing each other or hurling insults at each other. Okay, it's definitely not the best. But what me want just see and I be this as it be, Nigeria need to move forward. Yes, for sure. That last caller say me no get fit. Yes, I know waiting me they talk because me want actively partake in this politics. So I they study the rudiments. Okay, the basics. I they
you give me one look, man. Just give me. You want to participate in politics in making. Okay, bro, very sorry. If you are looking for instruction from this old politician, anytime I see your face, I'm not going to vote for you because you have bad instruction already. Learn from good
my
ones.
brother.
No, I'm just trying to tell you some level of life. Do you know what it takes to be a nation builder? Say,
My
yes,
brother.
your name will be among us people who build this nation. Can you not do that kind of revolution? Say, let my name be one of the people who build this generation, this nation. Because of why? If they wait, make them build down, my brother, all these old leaders, they don't go build anything. Now we go build up by ourselves. You understand? The building of this nation is in our hands. So please don't learn structure from these people because they don't have structure. What they have is criminalization. You understand?
Brother.
So I
Brother,
don't be other person want to come in. I want me I give you that your respect. I don't toss you down. You understand? Just get me and do my thing. I want love banter. You understand my
No
brother?
wahala, Baba. Okay, now I go do.
Call me direct with my messenger. We need to talk. Okay?
See, if we want to talk about Buhari now, Atiku matter we go talk on Nigeria. That is matter.
Yeah,
so we don't fit talk
AAC.
AAC. I beg one point. I beg Eddie. Yeah. 1 point. Try educate and try orientate your viewers. If I not be AAC or I not believe in AAC, no make me an enemy of Nigeria.
No,
you understand?
No.
We should join hand in putting up good governance.
We should try to be having this kind of conversation, rub minds together, drag something.
Good governance is what I'm after. It's not PDP, APC. Good governance is what I'm after. That is just it. Good night, my brother.
Respect.
Okay, Baba.
Yeah. That guy doesn't die just now. I don't feel comfortable that way. You understand? So I mean your rush bring him. I tell him say I don't rush the call away. You understand? Because everybody is entitled to his opinion, you know. So that's how we roll, man. We roll to be justice to everybody. We roll to action with force. Because we look our back, you know, dirty. Our front is dirty and one cleaner. You understand? That's just all. So my brothers and sisters, I think we have to draw the curtain down now. You understand? So that's one love to everybody. That's one love to my people. Please, ladies and gentlemen, say no to bad people. Say no to bad leader. Say no to person who don't give you certificate. He call it rule you will be master, we get master degree, we get bachelor's degree. Now bad thing, now bad disease. You understand? A bad disease, serious one. And this disease, we need to cure it now as we talk. So, if as we dey alive, so we need to cure this disease. You understand? So, my lovely Edo people, let's join hands together to pick it because I love you guys more than what you guys think. Please, if you are around Germany, if you dey around Germany, on the 10th, I dey for Araba gang night for Osuna Bros. Just go see wetin we dey do till they make money. You understand? Just go see how we dey do am. Just go see how we dey roll. It's all about fun. On the 10th, I'm Germany live and direct. If you dey around, if you dey Belge or Descent, those Osuna Bros in the city, check the poster for my wall. You will see the venue. So try and be with me. All my fans in Germany, I love you guys. God bless you guys. I love you more than what you think. One love to Nigeria. God bless Nigeria, my country. God bless my Edo State. God bless the new brand king God give to us in Edo State. The Baba of all king, the king of all king. God bless you, Daddy. We see the good thing you are doing. God bless everybody. God bless all the youth. God bless you all. God bless you all. We all say one love. We say no to those who don't have certificates and those who have certificate of criminal. Let's say no to them and say yes to the right party. Let's pick it back once and for all. Love you. One love. God bless you.